Hi guys, it is Friday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. I am just about finished getting dressed. I am getting ready to head out to do a little shopping, and I want to bring you guys along. And why can't I get these earrings on? The what? Yeah, so I'm getting ready to head out to do a little bit of shopping, and I'm gonna bring you guys along today. We are going to Ikea today to pick up a few things from Ikea. So right now what I'm doing, just putting my earrings on. I put on some BB cream, but not really wearing any makeup today because it's just Ikea and it's hot in Atlanta. So I have my Musette salsa with the chain that I attached myself. So this is the bag that I'm carrying today. So I'm going to switch some things out. This is the wallet that I have been carrying, and I'm going to switch over to my Emily wallet. So I'm going to do that real quick. But yeah, I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I hope you guys have some fun things planned for the weekend. What are we doing this weekend? Not a whole lot. I think it's gonna rain this weekend. It's been raining off and on here in Atlanta for the past few days, but I'm not really complaining, but because it has actually been cooling the weather off a little bit. I love summer, but this has been a really hot summer, so I'm looking forward to some more fall-like temperatures. And even though it's fall officially, it's officially fall, it's still been like high 80s here in Atlanta, but I'll take that over the 90s that we've been having this summer. Also, several of you have asked about my hair. These are not the spring twists. Someone wanted to know, well, a couple of you asked if these were the spring twists that I had put in a little while ago. No, guys, these are not. Oh my gosh, this chain. These are not the spring twists. These are actually individual crocheted twists. I'm gonna show them to you. I have some extra ones here in my closet. All right, so here in my closet, I have some extra say hello to the girls. Say hi, girls. Hello. Let's see, I have some extra hair up here. So this is what I have in here. These are the crochet, if I can get it to focus. All right, so these are the crochet interlocking Janet Collection 24-inch Havana combo twists. I have them in 1B, and this is obviously what they look like. Again, 24 inches, 1B, and I paid $6.99, and I want to say that I actually used 4 packs of those. I purchased 10, and I had about obviously 6 left over, but ordinarily I might slick my edges down a wee bit because I know they are looking a tiny bit rough right now. But as it is about to rain, I see the clouds right now, and I don't know, I'm just not in the mood to slick edges down right now. And so yeah, we're just gonna keep it natural today. You know, we're just gonna keep it natural. But I really love these twists. Okay, it was so easy to do, so quick. I want to say I did this in about 2 hours, whereas the kinky twist, not the kinky twist, the spring twist, I think I told you guys it took me like 2 days to do those. So I'm really loving this hair, and for the price, you cannot beat it. Really quick outfit of the day. Again, just going to Ikea. So I have on just an oversized denim shirt that I purchased from Target. I have on my Louis Vuitton reversible belt. I have on some Levi denim shorts that I purchased from the Levi store at Disney Springs. the Levi's store, or I'm sorry, Disney Springs does have a Levi's store there. I'm actually trying to decide today if I want to do my red Tory Burch, you know, since I do have on my red belt, or because we're just going to Ikea and it's, you know, low key, do I want to wear my, it's dark in here, this is where I store my Chucks. I love Chucks. So I have these here in the white, I have them here in the red, and let's see, I have a pair here in off-white, and then I have another pair there in white. So I love Chucks, but I think I'll wear my Chucks today. I just love them so much. I need to get a new pair of white ones because these are so dirty. For those of you who watched the, what was it, the faux toenail video, guys, how long ago was that video? All right, I still have all of the toenails on there. They have not come off, so that is amazing, right? So I will absolutely be buying these again. So let's head downstairs real quick. I'll show you guys what we are actually going to Ikea for. So what I actually need is going to go down here in the basement. It smells so good down here. I was down here earlier working out, and while I was down here I was burning this candle. This is Peony Blossom. The candle brand is Mason. Oh my gosh, this candle smells so stinking good. I have about half of it left, so I've been loving burning that. For breakfast this morning, the coffee that I had was the Green Mountain breakfast blend, and I think this is a light roast. So that's what I had this morning, so I've really been enjoying that. I've shared the donut shop with you guys before, and also Krispy Kreme. So yeah, but anyway, the guest bedroom it's a mess. It's a mess. Okay, so we had purchased a bed. I didn't like it. We took it back. So now we have to get another one, but we did get a new sofa for down here. As you can see, we have some pillows also on the sofa. Some of them I had upstairs that I just relocated down here. These right here are actually new. Some other things, these mirrors right here, I actually purchased, well, these were thrifted. These mirrors right here were thrifted. That one and that one, I paid $7 each, guys, for those mirrors. So some kind of way they are going to go up here, down here in this bedroom. And I thought they would be cute because we have this artwork right here. We actually have two pieces. And I thought the woods would look really good. We actually, the reason we took the bed back is because I actually thought it was going to work with these, you know, light washed wood frames down here, but it didn't work. So we took that back. So we're gonna have to get something else. Today we are going to Ikea because I want to get a shelving unit for this wall back here. You can't really see it right now, but I want to get a shelving unit for that wall. And we're gonna place the TV that's down here on it. And we're gonna go to some other stores and try to find another bed. But yeah, that's what we are doing today. So I'm gonna go ahead and close these blinds down here. It's really, really cloudy today, but I'm gonna bring you guys along. Want you to hang out with me as we do a little shopping today. All right, guys, we are at Ikea. I hope it's not busy. I don't typically come to Ikea this late on a Friday, but we shall see. Now, this is an interesting little setup. I love the decor of this little area right here. I don't think I've ever seen the dark florals here at Ikea, but this is a really pretty little setup. I wonder if they sell that wallpaper right there. That little background, that would be cute if you have like a small apartment or if you are doing a small room. As you guys see, these are some of the darker greens and the burgundies. I talked about in a previous video that I said really wasn't on trend anymore, but maybe IKEA knows something that I don't. So I'm not sure if you guys know this, but if you come to IKEA and you're trying to maybe pick up a bite to eat, they do have a little small restaurant here on the inside, and these are some of the items that you can pick up for either lunch or dinner. I've actually had the Swedish meatballs right here, and they are quite tasty. Let me know in the comments if you guys have ever purchased sofas from IKEA. I can say that I've never purchased a sofa. I've purchased one futon for my crafts room area, but I don't know. I feel like their sofas are a bit challenged. Like a lot of their sofas in here, like take a look at this one. I feel like you could probably pick this up at a thrift store. You know, I think it already has that broken in look. This one up here also, I just don't think that their sofas are real substantial. I know that these are going to probably be for, you know, people who are sending their kids off to college, or, you know, they're getting their first apartment. But I don't know, I just think that, I don't know, you could probably go somewhere like, I don't know, even an Ashley Furniture or Rooms to Go and pick up some pieces for a comparable price and get a lot better quality. Like this one right here is $11.49, but I don't even see any legs on it. Like I don't think I would pay $11.49 for this sofa. I don't know, what do you guys think? So I see the futon that I purchased for my crafts room, and yeah, this is my crafts room futon is holding up really well. I only paid $179 for it, and that's it right there. So yeah, but let me know, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Let me know if you guys have ever purchased a sofa from IKEA and if it's holding up. This is the Kallax shelf unit that I actually came in for today. It is $38.99, and I'm going to get 2 of them in white. Of course, Eric will have to put them together, but I think $38.99 is a really good price for these. And as you can see here, you can purchase your shelving units in many different colors. Oh my gosh, guys, again with this green, really pretty. Now I wouldn't necessarily go and paint my walls in this, what is this, maybe a hunter green. I wouldn't do that, but if you have a very neutral wall, let's say a gray, an off-white, or even like a khaki color, I think this army green would be, not army green, more of a hunter green. I think this would be really pretty. I see here that they've added some gray accent pillows, so can you guys see just how well this works together? And I love this rug. I love that, really soft. My hair is getting all in the way, but really pretty. I wouldn't get the drapes, the curtains, but if you're interested, you can get 1 pair for $59.99, and they have like a velvet velour texture, and as you can see, they have them in several different lengths. This is a really cute kitchen right here, guys. Nice and bright. As you can see with this one, they added some pops of color. Look at this pretty valance right here. That's cute. I don't know if I would put this in my kitchen, but I think it's really cute for a crafts room. Yeah, Kinda cute. Cute rug. Cute little table and chairs. Thinking I'll pick up some of these today while I'm here as well. These are $5.99, and I love these little inserts that Ikea places in their canisters. I want to get some of these for when, you know, I run out of whatever it is I have in there. Like these, this was nuts and this is oatmeal, and let's say I run out and I'm not really trying to go to the store. I can just put this little insert in, and it looks really cute. But you know what? I bet you can just print this out too. You can probably just print these out online and put them in your jar. But I think I'm gonna pick these up today. I mentioned to you guys earlier that we took the bed we purchased back. So I don't think any of these beds are going to be an option either. I don't know. Wait a minute. Let me see this one. This one's kind of cute. I love this gray color, but I don't know. It's not real substantial. $4.99. That's not a lot to that, but it's cute. I like the linens on it. I am over here in the closet area. I don't need anything in the closet area, but Ikea is that place to come to if you are wanting to do a DIY closet. I mean, I don't know, Ikea cannot be beat when you're trying to do your own closet. Like, you can come in here and design just a beautiful closet room for about nothing. Look at this one. It's a mirrored door. This is really similar to what I have in my closet room right here. This is all the PAX system. Really nice. We are down here in the kitchen area, and let's see if I can find those canisters that I was looking for. These are not the canisters that I want, but how cute are these? I love the colors on them. I love that they are like a tin can type of, you know, material. These are really, really cute. So here are the plants or the trees that I'm looking for. I need to place one of these downstairs in the basement to replace the one for the second time that it's just not working out. The first one died. The second one had little gnats in it, so I put it outside. So I'm just gonna go with a faux one. So I'm gonna grab one of these. This was actually the plant that I put outside because, I mean, it was doing really well inside the house, but it had little gnats in it, so that just was not gonna work. So I put it out, but they have some really pretty indoor plants here at Ikea. I guess you just have to be careful with the little indoor bugs. I don't know. But these are good prices, 14 bucks.